The devil has something you can call insatiable hate. Insatiable hate. It's not enough for him to see Adam burn in hell. It's not enough for him to see Hawa burn in hell. It's not enough for him to see his children burn in hell. He wants every single one of you burning. And every time he succeeds in, you could think someone's angry and they kill someone and the anger goes away. No, he goes to the next one and the next one and the next one. He keeps targeting more and more people. He says, give me time until they're all raised again. Why? You think they're so much better than me. You think I'm arrogant? I'm going to show you how arrogant they are. Oh, you think I'm worthless? I'll show you how worthless they are. Oh, you think I have an anger problem? I'm going to show you their anger problem. Oh, you think I compare myself to Adam? I'll show you comparison. These guys are going to make me look humble. Some of these will be so busy, I'll feel like I don't even have a job anymore. That's how busy I'll make them.